going to do Python with turtle. And it's day 24 turtle. And first up, put from turtle import star at the top. Well, I should say first up, delete everything. From turtle import star, and then also import random. And then I ask you to create a list variable named C that has a bunch of colors in it. So I'm gonna just do what I did on the worksheet. You can do that if that's what you need to do. I mean, you might like some other colors. Notice how I'm putting the color names in quotes. You have to do that. And then I say create a loop that repeats 100 times. Go to random locations and draw dots of random sizes that are random colors. So we're going to draw 100 dots. 4x in range 100. So I'm going to say size. S for size equals random dot rand int. I'm going to say from 1 to 10. That's the size. And then I'm going to say color equals random, not C. I'm going to just say color. And then I'm going to say random dot choice C. So it's going to pick one of the colors. And in fact, for the size, I'm going to just say, no, we'll leave it like that. And then I'm going to say go to, and we're going to say random dot rand int from negative 300 to positive 300. And then we're going to do a comma, and we're going to do that again. We're getting two random numbers because go to just takes two numbers. So I've got a random number and another random number. And then I'm going to say dot S. Let's see what happens when I run this. Oh yeah, I forgot. We also want to put speed 0. I forgot. I mentioned that in the instructions. Speed 0 up top. So now I don't want the lines in between. So we're going to do pen up. And then after the go to, we say pen down. And then we don't have all the lines. We got the dots. And I don't think the dots are big enough. So I'm going to make them go from 1 to 20. I want some of them to be giant. This is cool. Notice they're all random colors. And I think they're too small all around. So I'm going to go 10 to 30. Also, I think left and right, I'm able to go a little farther. So I'm going to go 350. Not 3050, but 350 for the left and right. That's the X value. And we're going to have bigger dots. All different colors. Okay, that's part 1. Probably a good idea to just write part 1 here. Oh, that's not part 1, is it? It's part 3. Okay, and then do a pen up command, go to the center, and then I want you to make a plus sign that looks like what I did. So we're going to get out of the loop. We're going to say pen up. So go to 0, 0, and then pen down, and pen size. I want it to be 4. And I want to draw a plus sign. So I'm going to say forward 50, right 90. And then we're going to go do that again. So we got all this stuff. I think for testing purposes, I'm going to change the dots to just 1 dot. And then, okay, so now I need to go, we did right. I need another forward 50. This time, though, then I think I need a left, and another forward 50. I'm trying to make this to a plus sign, so let's see where we're at. Yeah, now we're doing another right, forward, right, forward, left, forward. So I'm going to copy this stuff and we'll see. Okay, now I'm going to do another, I think this part is what I'm repeating. Yeah, and one more set of those things. Yeah, I drew a little more than I had to. I didn't have to do this last left or forward. I want the color to be different, so I'm gonna color black. It was just doing the random last color, and I just want it to be nice and dark. Okay, and then I want you to write your name in the middle. So we've done that before. So down here, we're going to do pen up. And then I think we can just do go to. Now we know we started right here. That was 0, 0. So I'm going to go negative 75 and negative 30. Negative 75, comma, negative 30. And then I'm going to do write Mr. Hayes. And we're going to use the command. On your PDF, just scroll to where the right command is. Because you can do font equals Monaco. That's an ugly font, but it'll be funny. And I'm going to say 14 and normal. So hopefully that'll work. Let's see. Oh, I have to say, I forgot font. Yeah, I did this wrong. Monaco, I did a close paren there, and I needed a close paren at the end of it after the 14 and the normal. So at least it crashed nice and simple. I'm going to go bigger font. And I'm going to go a little lower. I'm trying to center my name in, yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, and then I'm going to do pen up. The next part of the assignment is to draw another plus sign that has two colors, and that's fill. So we're going to do color. I'm going to go orange and blue, and the light blue. Light blue, I think that's a valid color. And then I'm going to say begin fill. I'm going to say end fill. And then here's the deal. I know my plus sign is right here. I'm going to just copy it from here to here. That's the plus sign. I'm going to paste it right here. So I got the end fill there. Oh, I just was supposed to send it to a new location first. So before we do this second one, we did a pen up. So we're going to do a go to, and I think I'm going to say negative 200, 0. Let's see if that works. Yeah, that's fine. This one didn't have to have our name in it. And then I say I want you to do one other thing that you designed yourself. So I can't do that for you. This is this 4, and this is 5, and then part 6. Do something that you thought of. See examples from Monday if that helps. And leave a comment me what you did so I know what to look for. Thanks. I'm not doing that part, but before we're done, let's change this range back to 100, because remember I wanted 100 dots. And we got all the dots. And then the plus sign's going to go on top. And then that one is there. I think the plus sign should be filled. I'm going to say black, comma, white. And I'm going to say begin fill. I'm going to say end fill. And I think that will make that prettier. And you know, I really want more dots. I want 200 dots. So, and you know, I want some of them to be bigger. Just not enough dots. I want all of them to be bigger. I'm going to go from 20 to 50. That's better. Definitely a lot more dots. All right, and those two things happen, and then you need one more thing, and that would be your choice. You could, you know, just has to maybe be over here, and you have to tell me what it is that you put on there. Thanks.